Good evening, guys. This is Raman back here with another video. And today I'm doing a wheel rebuilding challenge. So I'll just spin the wheel 14 times, and let's start the process here. So after the first spin there, and we get 87 overall players. So I'll just randomly choose the best 87 overall player that suits our team. Next up, oh, that's an awesome pick. 95 overall player. Let's do the third spin here. And that's the first L of the video. It's a 73 overall. Fourth spin. That's again NW. 87, 86 overall player. So this is the fifth spin here. And that is a 79 overall. That can be a good bench player for us. Sixth. And that's again NW. 88 overall player. Now the seventh spin for us. I'll do a total of 14 spins here. And that's a huge W again. With a 93 overall player. Eighth spin. And we land on. So this is second L of the video. This is 72 overall. That's again an L, 70 overall, the lowest possible overall in this wheel rebuild. Okay, next is 81 overall player. I guess this will be the 11th spin, and we land again on 79, twice on 79. That again can be a good bench player for us. And that's again in W. That should be an MVP caliber player for us. 96 overall. 12th spin. That's again a good 80 overall player. $75 overall. So that's all for the spin. I'll be back with you after making the adjusting the rotations and making the team. Okay, so this is the roster that I have put in. First up is Demi Lillard, who was 93 overall initially, but his rating was increased to 94. Next is Steph Curry, whose rating was 95, but I changed his position, so his rating got increased to 97. Then is KD for 96, JT for 88, Gobert for 87, Collins for 86, Marcus Smart for 80 overall, Michael Porter again for 81 overall, Terry Rozier, RJ Barrett, Zach Collins, Torian Prince, and Hamidou Diallo. Okay, so I'll meet with you at the end of the regular season. So we finished with a fabulous record of 69 and 13 as Luka wins MVP, averaging almost a triple double here. Zion wins Rookie of the Year. Nurkic wins the Sixth Man of the Year. Kawhi won the Defensive Player of the Year. Luka again the Most Improved Player, and Frank Vogel, our coach, wins the Coach of the Year. Let's look at the All NBA teams. Steph Curry is on the All NBA first team. Then All NBA second team, no one from our team. All NBA third team, where KD is there. That's All Defensive first team, where Rudy Gobert is there. All Defensive second, All Rookie first team, All Rookie second team. Okay, so let's see the season stats first. Steph Curry averages 25, 5, and 10 with steal and a half with in the 50-40-90 club. Then is Damian Lillard with 24, 3, and 7, and KD with 25, 5, 23, 5, and 5, and the rest of the stats of all the players. Okay, so let's hop into the playoffs there. These are the league leaders for the points. There's no one from our team in the top 10. So first up, we are going against the Utah Jazz. Let's simulate this round. Okay, so we clean sweep the Utah Jazz. Let's see the box score for the game 4. Curry went off with a 32 and 10, and then Damian Lillard with almost a double-double with 31 and 9. Next up is 4-seeded Dallas Mavericks. Okay, so we win in game 5. Let's see the game 5 box score. Steph again with a double-double, Damian Lillard with a double-double, John Collins with a double-double. So overall a good performance by everyone. Now we are going up against the LA Clippers, second seeded, and we clean box scores. Okay, so Damian Lillard went off with 37, Curry with 34, KD with 18, and John Collins here. So let's just hop into the game, some gameplay here. With 29 seconds left, Philly is just leading by 2.
29 seconds left in the game. Now here's Curry.
Steph Curry with a 3 and he misses. Ben Simmons with the rebound and John Collins falls in. And John Collins falls out.
And there's the call.
Ben Simmons goes to the line. Hopefully he misses at least one free throw. He misses the first one. And makes the second one. So it's a 3-point game. A 3 can tie this game. Steph has the ball in his hands.
high confidence about him.
He goes for three,
For his future.
and he misses again.
It's Curry outside.
Again, Ben Simmons is fouled
Misses the three.
by Jason Tatum.
And they stop the clock and as soon as they can with
He
the
misses
intentional
the first free throw here,
Honestly, just doing what they have.
and the second one is up,
That's a good foul, though. I like that. I mean,
and that's a
clock
green
management
light.
crucial at this time of the game.
So this game is over, and Philly takes the game 5 on our home floor.
That gives them a 4-point cushion. Now Rozier.
So we'll
So
move
it's
to
the
Philly for the
76ers
game 6.
taking the win in a close game.
Hopefully we don't blow a
Thank you.
3-0 lead here. Okay, so we are doing quite good. I traded for Looks like we are not going to win this game, and we have to go to game 5, which will be played in LA. Milwaukee now have almost a 20-point lead in the heading into the fourth quarter. So getting into game 5 here in LA. Game 5 again, Milwaukee takes game 5, and in game 6 here. So we win in game 6 in Milwaukee, where Joel Embiid wins the Finals MVP, averaging 21, 13, and 3 blocks. Hopefully, please guys, if you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channels for some fun videos up ahead. Thank you.